No idea. All right.
Do it for the love, but not do it for the likes. But I don't mind. I like or two. Yeah, it's surely fine.
Hi everybody, it is Stacy, personally speaking. I'll be doing an unboxing today of this Ryobi 1 Plus, or just Ryobi impact drill and something else. Don't mind me. Let's open the box and see what is actually inside it. This was a gift from my friends while I was staying with them in the States, and we also got this, which is the impact driving set, and I didn't realize at the time, but I wonder if I actually got drill bits because I really wanted drill, you know. So let's check it out. This is why my suitcase was so heavy when I was coming back to Jamaica. No complaints from me. Oh, it has a bag. I see a bag. Yeah, let's see what is inside. Okay, oh, a very heavy bag. I did not know that it was in a bag. I could have gotten rid of the box, right? It's very hot and humid, but it might rain. So I'm looking forward to that. Okay, here we are. This is the operator's manual. Okay. All right, so this is the charger. All right, so it is going to be a wireless drill. This one is, I have no idea. And okay, for some strange reason I thought there were going to be two drills in the weird, right? I think based on what the box image looks like, I thought there were going to be two drills inside, but it's one plus. I guess that's what the plus. Okay, so I have two chargers, I think. Yeah, these are the batteries. Two batteries. One charging device. Okay, so that. Oh, there are two drills. Lord help me. So well packed in the bag. I should have probably taken a picture of that. Okay. All right. So this one's a little bit smaller than this one, and I don't know which is which. Not yet, at least. No idea. All right. So guess what? The main reason I even came to open this was because I wanted to do some drilling in the wall. But there are no drill bits, absolutely none. This is just an impact driving set for screws, Phillip head shape, star shape, hex shape, nothing, flat screwdrivers, nothing about drilling a wall. So I definitely should have probably opened it while I was still in the States. I would have realized this. Yeah, so I can't do any drilling at all. Pretty cool set though. But yeah, so you know how they make their money, right? Force you to buy all different sorts of things.
So this is a close-up of the box, and I have an update on the drill bits. My friend actually came to Jamaica and brought a set for me. How cool is that? I am so grateful and so blessed, and I'm able to now drill. Yay! Like, share, and subscribe. Put a comment below this. Check out the description.